Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to explore one of the most important pieces of technology that has become ubiquitous in our daily lives, the microchip. From smartphones to computers, cars to medical devices, microchips are everywhere. But what exactly is a microchip? Let's find out. A microchip, also known as an integrated circuit, is a small electronic device that contains millions of tiny transistors, capacitors, and other electronic components that are used to perform a variety of functions. These components are etched onto a tiny piece of silicon, which is then encased in plastic or ceramic to protect it. Microchips are used in a wide range of applications, from powering the electronics in our daily devices to providing intelligence to machines and systems that we rely on every day. They're used to store data, process information, and control the operation of complex systems. One of the most important uses of microchips is in the field of medical devices. They're used to power pacemakers, insulin pumps, and other life-saving devices. They're also used in the automotive industry to control the operation of engines and other systems in modern cars. In conclusion, microchips are the building blocks of modern technology, and their importance in our daily lives cannot be overstated. From smartphones to medical devices, microchips power the devices and systems that we rely on every day. Understanding how microchips work is an important step in understanding the technology that shapes our world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this topic.